Hi everyone, welcome back to QPlearn Online Education Learn Perfect. So today is the one of the new topic, that is the biasing of the PN junction diode. Okay. So what is meaning of biasing? Means it is a process of connecting the PN junction diode into the circuit. Carefully you listen this one. So biasing means just it is the method to connect the diode into the circuit. You know that what is the diode? So this is the just I'll write the one symbol of the diode. Okay, so this is the diode. Okay, this side is positive, this side is negative. So this is the symbol of diode. So this diode, if you want to connect into the circuit, there are two methods are there. So that is called biasing. That method is called biasing. There are two types of the biasing. The first one is, so here I will tell you. So first one is the forward bias. First one is the forward bias, and the second one is that is the reverse bias. Clear? The second one is the reverse bias. First let me start what is forward bias. Okay, first one is what is forward bias. So forward bias means the positive terminal of the diode. See, this is the diode. Okay, so this is the diode. So this side, this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. This positive terminal of the diode is connected to the positive side of the battery. So like that. So here small plug key, and the negative is connected to negative side of the battery. See, positive terminal of this diode is connected to the positive side of the battery. The negative terminal of the diode is connected to the negative side of the battery. So that is said to be forward bias. Then second one is reverse bias. So reverse bias, what happened means, the reverse bias means the same diode, just you draw the diode like this. Okay, so this is the negative terminal and this side is the positive terminal. So here exactly reverse of the previous. So here positive terminal of the diode we connected to the negative of the battery, and here the negative terminal of the diode is connected to the positive side of the battery. So this is said to be the reverse bias, and this is the forward bias. Are you clear? The carefully you listen. The biasing means it's a method of connecting the diode into the circuit. How we are connecting means there are the two methods. The one is the forward bias and another one is the reverse bias. The forward bias means the positive terminal of this positive terminal of the diode is connected to the positive of the battery. Negative is connected to negative side of the battery. In reverse bias, exactly opposite direction. The positive terminal is connecting to the positive side of the battery and negative terminal is connected to the negative side of the battery. Okay, are you clear this one? And then after you will get a doubt. So what is that? See, in forward bias, what is the use of that? Carefully you listen. In forward bias, what is the use of that? Okay, and in reverse bias, what is the use of that? While connecting the forward bias, what has happened in the circuit? While connecting in reverse bias, what does it happened in reverse bias? The carefully you listen. During the forward bias, so during the forward bias, okay, during the forward bias, the more current will be flowing. Okay, more the current is flowing. Okay, so how much more current means almost it will be in the it is in milliamperes. Okay, the milliamperes of current is flowing in forward bias. The same, the diode, if you connect in reverse bias, very less, the very less the current is flowing, so that is almost is equal to in microamperes. Carefully listen. So milliamperes means, milli means it is 10 to the power of minus 3 ampere current is passing in forward bias. In reverse bias, microamperes of the current is flowing in that circuit. So micro means that is 10 to the power of minus 6 ampere of the current is flowing. It is almost, it is negligible. Almost it is negligible current is flowing in reverse bias when we connect the diode in reverse bias. The same way, when you connect the forward bias, you will get the more current as compared to the reverse bias. Clear? So this is the main purpose of the forward bias and the reverse bias. The forward output is milliamperes, the reverse output is the microamperes. Microamperes is, it is nothing but as very small current, it is negligible. In reverse bias it behaves as almost insulator like it is. Okay, clear? So this is about the biasing of PN junction diode. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you are not subscribed till now, please press subscribe button along with the bell icon, so you will get the new updates of our channels and the videos. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.